Today we are going to create this cool chromatic text effect in Adobe Photoshop. So for that we are going to take a 4K res new artboard. So hit the create new button, then set the size to 4K 3840 and 2160 and set the resolution 300. You can just enter the name Chromatic Text Effect and hit the create button. After that we are going to start with creating solid black layer. So if layer panel is not showing up here, you can just go window and select the layers and it will be appear here. Create new fill layer by clicking here, select the solid color and select the black color, hit OK. After that go to the toolbar and select the text tool, or you can just add the logo. I'm going to use this cool Nike logo here, and after that I will rename this layer by Nike and double click here. It will open the layer style panel. After that select the bevel and emboss, open up the settings, style inner bevel, and you can copy all the settings here. Select depth to 1000, size will be 215, softness we will decrease that, and gloss contour will be double edged, and increase the shadow mode, opacity, and just play with size. Now you can see the text is changing. Okay, 50 is fine for me. After that select the inner shadow and increase the opacity to 100, distance will be 6, choke will be 8, and size will be 23, or I guess 24 is okay. And after that we are going to add this gradient overlay here. Select this, open up the gradient bar, and then just select the black color here, and we are going to change the angle here like this, and style will be reflected. Add the scale 120 and change the angle. We are going to reverse this gradient effect like by checking this box here, and this will reverse the colors. Okay, so 124 is good for me, and I will just hit the OK button. After that I'm going to create the smart object of this layer by right clicking and convert to smart object. After that create a new curve layer here and add these 2 points like this, and create S curve like this and this down. This will add more glossy and reflections here, as you can see. And close this panel, and we are going to clip this layer to the Nike layer by right clicking and select the create clipping mask, and this will be clipped for this particular layer. Okay, then we are going to select this 2 layer and convert to smart object. So after that we are going to color this logo. So for that I'm going to create new gradient map by clicking here, and I will select the colors, like I will add here more of blue color like this, and here will be white color for the highlights, and here will be different tone of the blue, or I guess purple will be good. And I will adjust the positions of these colors. Okay, so I will go with these colors. Like, this is looking pretty good for me, so I will hit the OK button here. After that, we have to like limit this gradient map for the Nike layer. So for that, I will just right click here and select the create clipping mask, and then this gradient map will be limited for the Nike layer. I will select the both of the layer, right click, convert to the smart object. As you can see, this effect is like pretty much ready and looking beautiful. As you can see, I'm going to add some noise here to smoothen these corners. And for the texturing, for that, select the gradient map layer, or rename this to Nike layer, and then go to the filter and select the noise here and add noise. After that, you can add as many noise as you can, but don't go high like 60 or 30. It will like look awful. Okay, so set the amount around 12 is good. So we are going to like set the amount to the 12, and uniform, or you can say caution is looking good, but it's too much. Okay, let's set uniform and monochromatic and hit the OK button. As you can see, the effect is ready, and for the background you can add some paper textures, so I will add that. So I have downloaded some pretty good textures and backgrounds, so I will add those textures and backgrounds to the design, and we'll see the final image here. And this is how you can create this chromatic text effect in Adobe Photoshop. And if you like this video, click the like button and subscribe us for the more tips and these cool effects about graphic design and video editing, as well as motion graphics. So we will see in the next video. Bye bye.